is under attack by the evil forces of the birds. It's the birds! I'm going to Gamelon to attack. If you don't hear from me in a month, send Link.
But Father, what if something happens to Link? Father, what happens to you?
Enough. My ship sails in the morning.
Impa? Oh, fuck. Link, go to Gamelon and find my father.
No, I'm going to
Join
Ganon.
me, Link.
Yeah.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Wake up, Impa. We're going to Gamelon. All right, dear. I'll get the Triforce of Wisdom.
Nice day, eh, Luigi?
But
There is no spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from the birds. Dear pesky plumbers, I have taken over the Mushroom Kingdom.
You will die.
That old Ganon sure is great.
Time.
For dinner, Link. Hmm?
You must die!
No! Not into the book! It burns!
Wow. Link, the birds have seized
Hyrule.
Oh boy! It is written, only
Toasters can toast
the birds. Great! I'm so hungry, I could eat some
toast.
What the f***?
Toast.
I mean, squadala!
You are my prisoner.
Hey!
Silence! Hectan, keep the runt in chains.
Yes, master.
Come on.
Zelda.
not...
You've killed me!
Die!
What? Link?
Hey, it's Zelda! Hey, Zelda! I'm...
Looking
For
Toasters.
Link, what's wrong with you?
How about a kiss? For luck.
Hurry, Link.
Can you sing a song for me?
S, baby! Benny up! S, baby! Benny up!
Ha ha! Here's the toasters.
Link.
I won!
No!
Make it look bad. Aha!
No! Not into the toasters! It burns!
Join me, Zelda.
Ganon once again.
No. I am your father.
Father!
You
Come on, let's...
Conquer.
Hyrule.
Now you work for me! Take him away!
With this ruby, I replace your soul. You will obey. Ow!
Worthless Caridian, you must be hardened with fire!